Today we're going old school. Simple pencil, simple eraser. Two of the best creativity tools there is. Let's do this. Hello friends, creative peeps, and fellow weirdos. Okay, so I'm changing how I address you guys when I start a video. My name is Kathy. I'm an artist, and we're gonna do some drawing experimentation today. Continuing with the mushroom theme. I got my trusty mushroom book, Field Guide to Mushrooms. Love it. There's a link in the description if you want to check it out. So for the past couple videos, I've done some different materials. Today we're going old school. Old school. I mean, like, what do you have around the house? I got a mechanical pencil. That's a woodless pencil. I don't know if you have that around the house. And I just wanted to show you this. I'm not even using this today, and I don't know why I'm showing it to you, just because I'm excited about it, and I thought you might get excited about it too. I have never had just a watercolor graphite little slab, and I just want to test it out. I just want to test it out a little bit with you. So this is just a water brush pen, and I never had one of these. It's cool. Ooh, I love it. Oh, I can't wait to use this. I'm gonna have to use this really soon because that's awesome. Well, sadly, my local artist and craftsman art store is going out of business. They're having a big sale, and I just got in on that. They had a set of a lot of these, like several different colors, but it was much more expensive than I paid for this. I think it's 50% or even more off now. So when I bought this, it was 30% off. And I think this retailed for like $15. So I got it for 30% off of that. But then the set of the different colored ones was, I think it was like 30 something dollars. And I just really couldn't commit to that. So because I hadn't really played with this at all at the time, but I would totally go back and get that. It's quite dangerous to have a art store that you love going out of business near you and to not go in every day. I've been in probably 3 times so far. Maybe I'll accidentally go there tomorrow and see what I can find. Anyway, so let's draw some mushrooms and let's use the most basic materials because I think graphite is so underrated. It's a beautiful, beautiful thing to draw with. I love the tone of it. I love the silvery quality. I love that it's smudgy. I love that you can make it dark. You can make it light. I love that it comes in all different hardnesses. It's just so pretty. Oh my gosh, I'm treating it like eyeshadow or something, but it's just so pretty. I love graphite. It's fabulous. I have had the Derivan liquid pencil, which I have someplace in here, but I didn't pull it out for this video because actually this was just a total whim to bring this out. I wasn't even going to bring this out, but so I didn't plan for it. And my Derivan liquid pencil is somewhere here, but it's not in front of me. I have had that and I like it, but I have never had just like the slab, which is like it's like a watercolor slab. And I think this might be more my speed. I felt that the liquid pencil, although I loved it and it was innovative and cool, it's a little chunky to work with. I have tubes of it and it gets a little dried out and it gets a little bit chunky and weird. Anyway, there's a video on my channel about it too. So if you want to see a review of the Derivan liquid pencil, I'll put it up there for you. Today I'm using the Derwent Graphitone woodless pencil. Hot tip, the Graphitone is actually water soluble, so you could paint with it if you wanted. I never knew that the entire time I've had this pencil, so I'll be doing that in the future. And a Pilot Renegade 0.5 mechanical pencil with 2B lead. All right, so today let's draw some mushrooms with pencil. I do really like these mushrooms a lot. They're beautiful. In my last video, I said I haven't gotten sick of drawing mushrooms yet. And I mean, I've been drawing them for years now and not every day, but I really just love drawing them. They're just so relaxing to draw. Sometimes it's just so nice to have something that you don't have to think about it. You can just you know, settle in and just draw what you want. I like this one. Angel's Wings, and then White Oysterette. Maybe I'll do both of those. I think I might do it in the same style as I have been doing, which is sort of a scattered with movement and with the lettering. So I hope you're not getting sick of that yet, because it's my style. But I am gonna try to mix it up for you. Maybe not today, because I just want to draw these mushrooms right now this way. So I think I'll do that. But I will try and get more creative. Last year, 2022, I really wanted to just sort of, say, restart. Not really restart, because I never really stopped. Sort of wanted to reinvigorate my channel with doing art videos. I hadn't committed to stopping doing the, you know, print on demand and Etsy stuff, but I really enjoy doing creative content and art, and that is something that, you know, I can bring you that's unique and different, and that, you know, I don't feel the same passion for the other type of content, as although I have a passion to like help people and to share. So in that way, I love sharing and helping. But honestly, there's sort of like I kind of fall into like a wall with that type of content sometimes, because it's not really, I'm not like passionate about, how do I put this? It's, there's like a limitation to, to, my own interest in, you know, learning about that content. So it's kind of, although I have like, let's say I have 100% interest in sharing content, maybe my interest in actually that specific content is less than 100%. So it makes it like, oh gosh, I love to share, but do I really, this is a little bit, it makes me feel tired, a little more tired and a little less invigorated, if you know what I mean. So anyway, that's kind of the long and the short of it right now. I probably don't need to go into any more detail on that right now. And maybe in the future I'll do a video about that decision. I really don't know. Maybe I won't. Not really sure. So I'm really getting into drawing this mushroom right now, but I need to just get my composition down first, which I have not done. So I'm going to take a little break from talking right now. I'm going to speed things up so you can see my progress and the process, and I hope you enjoy. Hey, it's Kathy here. Just wanted to pop back in for a quick second. That if you're enjoying this video, I would really appreciate it if you would like and subscribe to my channel. It tells the YouTube gods to show you more content like this, and also it gives my videos a boost in the algorithm, which I greatly appreciate. Thank you so much for joining me today for this drawing session with pencil. I hope that you're inspired to rummage around your house, find a pencil, and just let your creativity be your guide. You don't need fancy stuff to just start drawing. Thanks so much for watching. I'll be back soon with another video. Have a great day and take care. Bye-bye.